Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something a little different. I got a 30 minutes fantasy kit. I want to say these are made by Bandai. Hey guys, welcome back to the Junk Guild Mechanic Shop. And today I got something a little different. I have a 30 minutes fantasy kit by Bandai Namco. It is the Libernite. If I said that wrong, please correct me. Apparently, you can change jobs with it, with different armors. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's some of the stuff you guys can get. The water attribute element core is included, so you can change different ones with different kits, which I will be acquiring. So it looks like a fun little build. Definitely different. Usually I'm doing Gundams for ships. This is the first fantasy one I have. And this is a class 1 job requiring a sword and shield. It's a basic job that demands mastery of all types of swords and ship. Those of this job combine the offensive abilities of swords, the defensive abilities of shields, and the martial arts abilities of knights. It is a versatile job that is useful in any situation. So this looks like it's going to be a fun kit. Let's open it up and see what we got. Box right down there. Kits, instructions. There's the instructions. So you got one. Okay. Go ahead and open these sprues up. Sorry for the mess over here, y'all. I just got back from vacation last week, and work's been a little bit hectic, so sorry for the infrequent posting. Hope you guys enjoyed the 2 little videos I set up of the Iron Man and the UNSC Paris class. That was fun. My buddy over at Rise 3D Builds, he was the one who printed those. So go give them a look at. All right, let's see. So you got 1, 2. Yeah, so you got a couple of decent amount of sprues that we'll have. Go ahead and put these on our little organizer. Detail's actually pretty good on it, honestly. These are better than some of the high grades. I believe that is the eyes. It's either the eyes or the core. I don't know. We'll find out. So I like some of the detail. This is definitely going to be a fun one to paint. You got your shield, you got the sword. I don't know, y'all. This is might be a next little diorama build. What do y'all think? Think I should do a little diorama on this? Let me know in the comments below. Okay. All these nice little sprues, different hands. and here is the instruction. Say class 1. Looks to be very posable, which is definitely different than what I'm normally used to. Okay, so there's the, oh, okay. Oh, so there's more to all the sprues. Okay. Complete assembly. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have one of these. I'm probably might actually have to go find some more of these, especially with that armor change. So I can turn into class. So I have 2 other class 2s. So apparently this takes place in Dealrow, a world where civilization has been wiped off the face of the planet. Earth was struck by meteorites, resulting in environmental change across the planet. The earth overflowed with harmful substance, which later became known as elements. Due to the elements spread in the atmosphere, Earth's population drastically dwindled. Lives so did the few remaining humans who survived were threatened by the elements, and a few managed to escape using a spaceship that were left. Scientists who had tried to overcome this dire situation came up with the Maximilian Project. This was a plan to return Earth to a habitable state. They succeeded, developing element cores and mechanical life forms called Maximilia, which I believe these guys are, which were key factors in the plan. In this world where conventional civilizations have been wiped out, humans and the Maximilian machine life forms created numerous countries over the course of 700 years. The Liberal Republic chose to coexist with them, while the Rosen Empire decided to subjugate the Maxima. Element cores hold the key to the fate of this world. So you can create your own fancy job through infinite customizations, according to what they said. So he could armor class up to a Holy Knight or a Paladin. They're both class 3, requiring swordsmanship that surpasses, at least the Paladin requires swordsmanship that surpasses the Knights in advanced physical defense. It's a job that demands the skill to wield a sword with high weapon capabilities and supreme martial arts on par with high-ranking warriors. Those who attain this one are treated as high-ranking knights in their country and palace, while the other is the Holy Knight, acquires swordsmanship imbued with divine power and physical defense abilities. Members of this job wield sword shield endowed with holy power. Those of this job have knightly proficiency equal to paladins or are highly skilled. Their strength as Holy Knights is demonstrated when they are protected by the divine powers that sleep within the land and sacred places. It is a 30-minute mission. Wow, this is definitely different, and they've definitely come a long way because I have some of their other kits. We got this one, which looks to be like a cool run suit, which is on my to build list and get out in the shop. And then there's this one, which this is definitely one of the older ones. They are fairly easy to build, but definitely fun ones. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.